Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video, y'all. Look at this here. This is a sour cream pound cake right here, y'all. Look how much is left. And this thing is about, we'll see here, about 4 days old. And I'm on vacation. I'm about to leave out of the state here for about 4 days. I got friends over for the holidays. How can I get rid of this cake? And it's gotten a little dry. It's not fresh, so it's been sitting on the counter. It's gotten a little dry. I'm gonna show y'all what I do to bring this cake back and another way to eat it. I'll make a strawberry sauce, y'all, and eat it with some Cool Whip. I'm telling you. Some people call it strawberry shortcake. I don't think it's strawberry shortcake. I wouldn't call it that. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I call it good. So all I got here, y'all, I'm gonna make a strawberry sauce. I got some strawberries here, some sugar. I'm gonna have water. I'm gonna use a cup of sugar, a cup of water, maybe 2 cups of strawberries. I got some salted butter, some cornstarch to thicken, a little vanilla. Very simple to do this, y'all. One thing takes a long time for this sauce to cool down before you can actually use it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put everything in the pot here. I got my sugar, and a cup of sugar, cup of water. Put the water in there. I'm gonna bring this to a boil here. It'll take about 15 minutes here. We're gonna bring this to a boil, really, really good. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna thicken it with cornstarch. And then I'm gonna add some vanilla to it. And then I'm gonna add some butter, let it cool, and we're gonna eat it with the cake with some Cool Whip. How good is that? How easy is that, y'all? Ain't get no better than that, huh? That's the one way to get rid of some pound cake that's left over. So anyway, I'm gonna let this come to a boil here, and I'll be right back to add the rest of the ingredients. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, we got it boiling. That's what you want to do. Now we're gonna add our cornstarch to this. I want to thicken it just a little, but I don't want it too thick. I want a sauce. I want it to be a nice sauce here, y'all. A little bit more cornstarch here. I want when it cools down, it still got that saucy type thing and not really, really thick. So that's what I'm looking for. And what it is, I'm gonna boil this here in about 4 or 5 minutes and let it get that nice, all that, let that cornstarch kind of cook out of there. See what you got here? See that? Okay, now we're gonna turn it down here. I'm gonna let it simmer just a little. We're gonna add our vanilla to this. Add our vanilla. That smells amazing, y'all. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm gonna let this simmer about 2 minutes, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna add our butter to this. Then we're gonna take it off and let it cool completely. Then I'll come back and we'll show you how I serve this, y'all. So we're gonna let it simmer about 2 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at that. That's the consistency you want right there. Now I'm gonna add a little butter to this. It's gonna give it that extra shine, y'all. Make this sauce so smooth. This is salted butter, y'all. We're gonna get that in there, incorporate that in there, and we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna pour it in a bowl and put it in the fridge and just let it come to, you gotta be completely cool. Of course, y'all know that already. Look at that pretty that sauce here. See that? Pretty strawberry sauce. That's gonna go good on that pound cake and that Cool Whip, y'all. Yeah, I use Cool Whip. Don't hate. You can make your own, let me turn this off. You can make your own whipped cream you want to. But in a pinch, want to get ready to have a quick pound cake left over and make a quick strawberry sauce, get you some Cool Whip, make it easy on yourself. Okay, y'all, I'm getting me a bowl over here. Pull y'all over here. We're just going to pour it in this bowl right here. Throw this in the fridge. See that? It's sit in the fridge right there, cool off. And we'll be back in about a couple of hours here, y'all, and we'll show you how to put this thing together. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. The sauce is cool, and all I do, y'all, I give me a little piece of slice of pound cake, just like that. I'll just scoop me some strawberry sauce right over the top, just like this, y'all. Look at this here. Drizzle it to go all the way to the side. Put a little on the side there. That makes that cake moist again. Then, y'all know I love my Cool Whip. A little Cool Whip. Of course, you can use fresh. You can use that fresh whipped cream you want to, but hey, there we go, just like that, y'all. Look at that. So I'm gonna step out, do that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and I'll come back and we're gonna try this out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. How's that for a quick, easy dessert? Look at that, y'all. Get you some pound cake that's about to been sitting up too long, done dried out on you. I'm telling y'all, just do a little, see how easy I made that strawberry sauce, y'all? All right, going in here, y'all. Oh my God, got a little whipped cream on there. Strawberry on there. Soak up a little bit more of that sauce. Look at this here, y'all. Look at that, look at that. Going in. I got some strawberry cake, y'all. Wow. And that dry cake, it just soaks up all that sauce. Look at that. That's a dessert right there, y'all. Easy and quick. Quick, easy dessert. Let me say, you got leftover pound cake? Makes a perfect, like I told, and spontaneous strawberry shortcake. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember hashtag 2023 to show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.